Alright, special thanks to this company for sending us their solar wall lanterns to unbox and show you. This is a 2-pack. It's warm white, 3000K, easy installation, save energy, save money, and turns on at dusk. Not a whole lot to show you on the box, just pictures, nothing. So again, thanks to them for sending this to us. Let's unbox it and then we'll set them up and show you what they look like. Alright, so we have a nice little instruction guide right on top, and there's a little on-off switch in there, and it's like right in the middle. So these are just nothing else in the box. So these are the hooks to hang it on, and these are little parts that go on top, and the screws. And so here's the actual lanterns. Oh, okay, I like the color. And then you can twist the top off, switch them to on, and then this just kind of, you find the grooves and it goes back in place. Bingo. So it hangs like this and gets your solar from right there. Very, very nice. This is where this goes on down here, like so. Give it that little top or bottom, I guess. And then you just use the 2 screws to mount this and hang it up. So we'll hang it up and see exactly what it looks like. All right, so I have these outside installed on the back of my fence. One here and another one hanging right there. And so we'll come out here tonight and see what they look like at nighttime. All right, so here is the brightness of this solar lantern. It's kind of a wide view, but you can see much more of the light that it's putting off here. A little up close view, but I have this one here and I have the other one right there. Both putting off a good amount of light. Truly, I think these look really nice. 2 screws, hang them, let the sun hit them, and you have a nice light on the side of your house, on the side of your fence, wherever you may want it. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.